Okay, now I'm set up with my cursor to work on these, whatever they are. Now, I used to have ornamental carp, and I don't remember ever seeing whiskers. Okay, digitize closed shape. And I want satin, and I've slackened my density a bit. I don't like satin stitch which piles on top of each other, the stitching. And our threads are 40 weight, which just happens to be the same as 4/10 of a millimeter. I prefer mine. Actually, I think I would prefer that to be up that end. So I'm going to select that, reshape, and move that end point up to there. Come on, get on there. And then tell that stop. Thank you. Digitize closed shape. Fill is selected. Okay, true view. Now, because this is such a big gap, it's given us auto split. Now, I don't want auto split. I didn't select it first. If you don't select, you don't get what you want. And I don't like that either. So I can carve, or I can go back in and do the individual shapes, but some of them are very small. So let's get off true view. I tap M on my keyboard, and that gives me the measuring tool. 3.49 to there, 514 to there. Sorry, 435. Now, this bit up here is narrow. Let's see what he is. 2.51. Oh, well, perhaps it's not that narrow. And 215. I don't really want to do a carve in here when I'm going to be carving this fin up. You know, it's quite a bloodthirsty occupation, isn't it? So let me just tell that escape. Oh, come on. Thank you. And I'm going to tell that last one undo. Right. Digitize closed shape. Add stitch angles. True view. There we go. I'll move that to there. Tell that stop. Come out of true view into digitizing mode. Digitize closed shape. And there is my cursor. And just invade the first shape. Now, I'm deliberately coming up short up here. Give myself a little bit more room. When I come to do this one. Add stitch angles. And just move him over to there. Tell that stop. Digitize the closed shape, and I've still got satin. Invade that. Oh, going the wrong direction. The program actually prefers you to travel in a clockwise direction. And I'm slightly altering the end there. Add stitch angles. Now that stop. Let's just take a quick look. There we go. Back out of the true view and into digitizing mode. Add stitch angles. There's my end point. Tell that stop, true view. Okay, now I'm going to take a walk back and put this piece in. So I'm going to digitize open shape, come out of true view. There is my cursor. I really don't know what that shape is either. It's most peculiar. I have a feeling this isn't a carp at all. It's a bit late now to change my mind. Closed fill shape, and I'm going to work on, after I've chosen tatami, we'll give him a bit of texture. That looks sort of scaly. We'll see in a minute. Now this design may not be your idea of a design that you simply have to do, but it's not my intention to go through designs which everybody wants to digitize, because all I'm interested in doing, nice and jagged, is showing you the possibilities that your software offers, and all these different techniques can be used in any type of design subject that you would like. Why do you keep putting me on that? Turn pattern based on stitch angles. There we go. What I'm trying to show you is your object properties, your selections within your stitch types, your tools, other tools you can use with those tools, and fills. If you want pretty designs, you have to learn to use your software and create them. And this is what my videos are all about. I'm trying to show you how to use the software, so in turn you can do the types of design you want to do. Okay, now I'm stuck down there and I don't want to be down there, so I'm going to select that, tell it reshape, I'll move it up there. Thank you. And in the next video we will do this bit. This bit, and then look at the eye, and finally do the fin. So I'll see you all in the next video.